Color will black. Man, you can't see no lightning. I won't say this in. Oh my God, I got that one on tape. And they're gonna hear me in the background acting like a retard. But anyways, I mean, scratch that, boy. That can't be approved. Everywhere it strikes, I don't get nothing. No. All you see is black. Woohoo! I got that one on video. Yeah. Yeah, right. Awesome. You know, this is really not funny anymore. Wait. Yeah. Someone. Okay, so if I do send this in, it's dark because I'm riding in the car. Car passing right about now. Weird. I need to get a good bolt in there, man. I got 2 good ones. Another good one. I missed that one. Car.
Now it's working, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. I'm recording lightning bolts out the window. Sending it into the weather channel. And they're talking again. Okay, it's been lightning but worse than this, but apparently when I start recording, it decides to stop. It's wicked though.
Awesome.